Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see how to create a class in Java using the scanner function. Scanner is a class in Java which is being defined inside the java.util.scanner, and it is the easiest way to take input from the user. If you want to take any kind of input from the user, you can create the object of scanner class and you can use it. Scanner is a class in java.util package used for obtaining the input of the primitive type like int, double, float, long, and string types. It is easiest way to read input in the Java program, though not very efficient if you want an input method for scenario where time is constrained like in competitive programming. Then you can easily create the object of scanner class and use it for taking the input from the user. To create the object of scanner class, we usually pass the predefined object system.in, which represent the standard input stream. Whatever you will give input from the keyboard will be taken by the object system.in. If you want to pass any kind of file and you want to read the input from that file, then instead of giving system.in, you need to give the file name here inside the system.in. So here I have created a class named as scanner demo.java. And one thing you need to keep in mind, then whenever in Java you want to create any program, your main class, the class which will have the main function, should have the same name as the file name. जो आपका मेन क्लास का नाम होता है वही नाम आपके फाइल का नाम होना चाहिए, then only your program will execute. Then inside the public static void main string args, we will create the object of scanner class for creating the standard input stream, and we will pass system.in as the object to the scanner constructor, as an argument to the scanner constructor. Now, this program will take the input from the user like user's name, gender, age, name, gender, age, mobile number, and the CGPA. So the first statement will be system.out.println. Please enter your information. Then system.out.println name. Now here you can see whatever the value of the name provided by the user will be in the form of the string. So we need to use the scanner class method, which is the next line, for reading the any kind of string input. Okay, so sc.next line, sc will be the object of the scanner class, and next line will be the method defined inside the scanner class, which will take the input as the string input and keep it in the variable called as name. And if we will take the value of the gender, so then what we will use character at 0, because we are going to take only a single character value for the gender, either f or m. So sc.next will be the string input and the character at 0, यानी कि 0th position पर जो भी character रहेगा उसकी value वो लेगा, तो that will be put as the character gender. Now for taking the value of age is an integer number. Generally integer values are being used for the age, and so we need to use the method next int for taking any kind of integer value. Now if we talk about the mobile number is a 10-digit number, so we cannot use the method next int. So we need to use a method called as next long for taking the integer value. And for taking the CGPA, as CGPA is not an integer value, it is a double value, or we can say a floating point value. So we need to use the method named as next double, and we need to use the object of the scanner class sc double, and we will read it into the variable CGPA. And now we need to print all these value which we have collected from the user. So we need to use the simple SOP statement, which is our system.out.println, which is system class का out is the object and println is the method. Like आपके पास में जैसे कि next int, next double ये methods है, वैसे ही आपका println method है जो printing के लिए use होता है. And this method like next int, they are used for taking the input from the user, and println is for the printing the output from the user. Now if we will execute this program, we need to right click on the class and click the run button. Otherwise we can also run the file from here, from the run project. Now you can see in the bottom window, output window, you can see please enter your information name. So I have not entered, I have just press the entered button, so it is not taking the value of name. Now if I put the gender, I am putting as the female, then age will be say 34, mobile number will be 77740 and CGPA 9.5. So it is showing all these information. You can see here name was not being taken because I have put enter, gender, age, mobile number and CGPA. It is printing all this information. Let's rerun again. For the value of name, I am putting Shikha, gender female, age is 34, mobile number 567-432 and CGPA is 8.9. Okay. So this is printing all this information like name, you can see from here, name, gender, age, mobile number and CGPA. Thank you.